Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with TD Ameritrade for insurance-linked investments access, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with TD Ameritrade for insurance-linked investments, you'll need to authorize your account. First, visit the TD Ameritrade website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Client Services section in the main menu. In the Client Services section, find the link for Account Settings. Click on Account Settings and look for the Third-Party Access option. Select Third-Party Access to manage authorization settings. You will see an option to add or modify third-party authorizations. Choose the option to add a new authorization for insurance-linked investments. You may need to provide some information about the investment firm or the insurance provider you wish to authorize. Fill out the required fields with accurate information. Double-check the details to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, click Submit to proceed with the authorization. After submission, you may receive a confirmation prompt. Confirm your request to finalize the authorization. You will typically receive a notification once the authorization is processed. Be sure to keep an eye on your email for any updates or further instructions. Now you should have access to insurance-linked investments through your TD Ameritrade account. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to TD Ameritrade customer support for assistance. Following these steps will help you successfully authorize your account for insurance-linked investments access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.